Amid controversy over Pegasus spyware, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee claimed that her phone has been hacked and she is not able to speak to anyone. Even if I'm not on Pegasus, if I speak to Abhishek Banerjee or Prashant Kishore, it is hacked. If one phone is hacked, all are hacked, Mamata Banerjee added. Bharatiya Janata Party leader Basavaraj Bommai today took oath as the 23rd Chief Minister of Karnataka at the Raj Bhavan in Bengaluru. Bommai was appointed to the post during BJP's legislative party meeting after B.S. Yediyurappa tendered his resignation on Monday. Before the oath-taking, Bommai met BJP's central observer Dharmendra Pradhan and former Chief Minister Yediyurappa in Bengaluru. A Mumbai crime branch official said the bank accounts of Arvind Srivastav, alias Yash Thakur, an accused in Raj Kundra porn videos case, have been freezed with around Rs 6 crore balance in them. He has written to Mumbai police requested defreezing of accounts, but police have asked him to first appear before it and join the investigation, the official added. Speaking about Chinese President Xi Jinping's recent visit to Tibet, United States Republican Congressman Devin Nunes said that Xi was threatening India that he's going to build a big water project, possibly cut off water to India. He further accused Joe Biden-led US administration of not doing enough to stop the Chinese march. Xi Jinping made a surprise visit to Tibet recently. Journalists from several foreign media outlets covering recent floods in China were harassed online and by residents, the Foreign Correspondents Club of China (FCCC) said. Rhetoric from organizations affiliated with ruling Communist Party directly endangers the physical safety of journalists, it added. Chinese nationals working for foreign media have also been threatened, it further said. World number 1 Deepika Kumari of India advanced to round of 16 in the women's individual archery after beating Jennifer Mucino Fernandez of United States 6-4 at the Tokyo Olympics today. Deepika Kumari had earlier beaten Bhutan's Karma 6-0 in the round of 64. Deepika is already out of the mixed team archery event alongside Pravin Jadhav. Indian boxer Pooja Rani defeated Algeria's Ichrak Chaib in the women's 75kg middleweight category to reach the quarterfinals. The 30-year-old won the bout by a unanimous 5-0 decision against her 20-year-old opponent. Pooja Rani's quarter-final bout will take place on July 31st. India's Satish Kumar will face Jamaica's Ricardo Brown in the men's 91kg round of 16 tomorrow.